Hello, good day. I want to introduce to you a very powerful point of sale system that is able to manage all your business details. So we have the login page. I will log in with my details and then I will select my user type. Each of the users here has access to a particular part of the system. So I'll log in as admin and click on login. Now, to prevent people logging in as admin, the system also has a security code for the admin, which will be known only to the admin. So I'll just enter my admin security code so that it will prevent other people who are not admin from entering to the system as admin. So this is the home page. The first thing you have to do is to register your business name, your company name, the branch, and all the details that is needed. You enter it, and then after that you go to the navigations. So this is the navigation page, and here you don't have to access or go through the sheet before you can enter data or before you can access anything. No, in this same particular place you can enter your sales. So this is the sales for all the customers that are coming to buy things. This is where you are going to enter the sales. So here we have the items here. So when you click on an item, it will automatically be populated. The quantity in stock, the selling price, the subtotal. So if the customer is buying more than one product, you can just add and then it will calculate the total for you. And then you can enter the customer name and the phone number. You can also search for the product or the item also here. And then when you are done, you just click add. So let me enter a customer name and the phone number, and I'll just click add. Then it will give me an opportunity to add more items. So I'll select another item. So if the customer is buying more than one, I'll also click add. So when I am done entering all the items that the customer is purchasing, then I'll just click done. Then the system will ask me, do you want to give a discount? If I say yes, then it will ask me that I should enter the discount. So it may be 10 cedis. Then it will now give me the total that the customer is supposed to pay. Then I'll click OK, and the system will ask me the mode of payment. I'll just enter cash. Then I am done. So from here, once I am done with the customer purchase, I can just print the invoice from here directly and give it to the customer, and then that is it. We have sales on credit, sales report. So you can search the customer name from date to date. You can search for the sales, and then here you see the total also shown over there. Then we have for expenses. So any expenses you make, the system also takes care of it. Then we have purchase item. So the item that you have purchased, it's like taking your stock. You enter everything here in the system. So all the items that you have purchased, you enter them into the system. Then we have report, purchase report. So here you can search from date to date. If you want to know the date range, the items you have purchased within a particular date range, you can search it on the form. Then you can also order items. So this place is for you to order your items. So if you run out of stock and you want to order items, you can just add all the items here, and when you are done, you can print the item or save it as PDF and send it to your wholesaler or your manufacturer. Then we have payment form. So this one also takes care of all the payment that have been made, either through a purchase or through purchase on credit. Then we have staff. So this is staff payment. So here, if you want to pay your staffs, when you select the name of the staff, all the information will be populated here. You just have to select the month you are paying the staff, and if you want to make any update in the salary or whatever, you can also make update, and you can also add new. Then we have the supplier, those that supply you goods. You can enter all their details in the system, and then the payment you have made to them, you can also capture it into the system. So here, when they bring the goods, you enter the supplier name, the company name, the mode of delivery, the type of good they brought, and whatever. And then you can save the invoice that was given to you for that product. You can save it into the system. So when you come to the payment and you select the name of the supplier, every information will be populated. The invoice will also show, so that you know that, oh, I am supposed to pay this amount, or they brought this good, I have paid this, it is the remaining is this balance, and that. So this, the system will help you avoid chaos and then this agreement and those stuffs. And then we also have the stock tracker. So here you can check low stock, you can check stock that are items that are out of stock. You can do so many things. You can set for a particular item and see how that item is going and those stuffs. You can also print the stock report from here. And then we also have the staff form. This form is for the people you pay within your business or within your company. So you enter the name of the staff, their details, you can add their images and everything you need. And we have for the cashier. So this is for the cashier. So any payment, if you have people, there's stores where you go, there are people that will serve you with the item, and there's somebody who will also take the money. So this is for the cashier. So here the cashier will enter the name of the customer, the contact, the invoice number, the total purchase, the amount paid, the balance, if there's a remaining balance, the mode of payment, the preferred type, whether credit or instant payment or advance payment. And here is a cash calculator. Should in case a customer bring a huge sum of money, the cashier will just enter the denomination. So if 200 cedis is 10, you see the system will automatically calculate. So by the time the cashier will finish entering all the denomination, the cashier will know the total amount. So there's no need for the cashier to go for any calculator before he can know the amount of money a customer has given onto him or her. And then we have the various sheet. We have the sales. Whatever sales you enter will be populated in this sheet for you. And then we have the cashier. This is for the cashier. All the information the cashier will enter will also be populated in this sheet. We have the orders. All the orders that you've made will be populated in this sheet. We have admin. So this is the admin page. We have for staffs. So this is the staff records. All the people you have as staffs, all their records will also be populated here. We have the cashier report. So the cashier can, if you want a report for a particular period, this is where you print the report. You can set from date to date. And then we also have the stock. So here, all the stock you have, so all the items you've purchased. So this is the stock manager. So here, when you click update stock, it will update. So as you are entering the items, after entering every items at the purchase section, you come here and they'll just click update stock, and it will update the stock for you. If an item exists, it will just update the quantity, and here you will be able to see the quantity sold and then the quantity remaining, and then your profit will be calculated for you. And then we have for SMS. You can also send SMS to your customers. You can send SMS to your customers. And then we have the supplier report. All the goods that have been supplied, you can set from date to date. You will see the report. We have the purchase here. So all the items that you've entered, all the items you purchased, this is where it will be populated for you. And the person who, everything is here, it will take care of, the system will take care of everything. We have the payment report. And then we have customer payment manager. So the credit payment, those customers that bought things on credit and they have made some payment, it will also be populated here. And then we have the invoice. So this is the invoice. So when all the items that I entered is populated in this sheet. So from that sheet of the sales sheet or the sales form, you can print this invoice out without necessarily coming to the invoice sheet. You can just print it out. So as you can see, this is the invoice, and you can print it out and give to your customers. And then we also have sales on credit. So all the sales that are on credit, it will also be populated in this sheet for you. And so Basically the system is designed in such a way that it will make your business run smoothly and effortlessly.